Crisp Attack with Card Concepts, and today we'll be going over the various steps on how to install a FasCard or Flex reader onto existing laundry equipment. This instructional guide will cover tapping power for the FasCard or Flex reader, installing machine start and coin sense harnesses, removing the coin drop, whether permanently or temporarily, card-only mounting and installation, and coin and card drilling mounting and installation. Now before we begin, remember to have the machine completely off power. First, we will need to expose both the service door and the machine control panel assembly behind the front panel to complete this installation. Remove the screw for the service door hatch and the two screws on the control panel assembly to expose control boards and various wiring. In an Alliance top-load washer, more than one method can be used to power the machine depending on what is available. If using a tap and ground method, attach two spade taps to available hot and neutral wires that draw power from the terminal and not a low voltage transformer. After tapping, insert the spade connectors and secure the ground fork. You can then attach the power converter and applicable power extension harness. Alternatively, if there is an available low voltage power connector and you have its applicable harness or harness with a ground fork as part of the install kit, attach the harness to the available connector. Also remember to secure the ground fork if such is part of the harness. Whether found directly on the main board or an extension board, secure the serial harness into the 7-pin H3 connector. From there, you can feed out power and serial harness wires through the service door hatch for making reader connections later. Now in a card-only scenario, a bypass harness would be needed to close the loop for the vault switch to access service mode in the future due to no coin harness in place. Otherwise, in a coin and card setup, you would connect the coin sense harness to the harness connected to the coin drop after the coin drop is reattached. Whether removing the coin drop permanently or temporarily for equipment safety reasons such as drilling later, remove the hex nut securing the coin drop, preferably with the Alliance Laundry Systems extension tool. Once the two hex nuts are removed, slide the coin drop out of its long mounting bolts to retrieve the coin drop. When finished, the inside of the vault will look something like this. In a card-only scenario, the required brackets for the readers will attach where the coin drop used to be. In no particular order, feed the power and communication harness wiring through the now empty coin drop slot and remove the adhesive coin drop overlay. Choosing to remove the overlay before or after feeding the harnesses through is no issue, but would need to come off regardless in order for the meter case bracket to be mounted and secured into place. With wire harnesses fed and both drop slots now exposed from removing the overlay, attach the Alliance adapter bracket to the meter case bracket as shown. Feed the harnesses through the center hole of the meter case bracket and secure the bracket into place, ensuring the bottom lip is flush with the front of the vault. Secure cap nuts to the mounting bolts shown in this example. Once secured, pull the power and communication harnesses through the standard mounting bracket and screw the mounting bracket onto the meter case bracket. A chase nipple can also be used, but can be difficult to attach due to the distance and small amount of space from the service door hatch to the front of the vault. Next, connect the harnesses to the back of the FasCard or Flex reader and secure the reader onto the bracket using the T15 Torx screws provided. This covers the card-only version of mounting and installation. In the next chapter, we will be covering a coin and card method of mounting and installation which involves drilling. Ensure you have the proper drill bit before proceeding. Coin and card scenarios require finding a decent space free enough from obstruction to drill a sizable hole, feed wiring through, and attach the reader to. In this example, we will be top mounting a reader next to the service door hatch. After marking the points using the template, time to lubricate and drill. Clean out any shavings and debris and reattach the coin drop. Set the angled base over the drilled hole with the raised end facing the rear and secure with a chase nipple. Ensure that the chase nipple is secured down enough for the foam seal gasket to keep the base in place but not too tightly to prevent cracking the plastic. Next, feed the power, coin sense, and serial harnesses through the center hole of the base and out. Attach the coin sense harness, serial harness, and power harness onto the back of the top mount oriented reader and attach to the angle base with the raised end facing the rear of the machine. Unlike low-position front-mount readers, the top of the reader should be facing you with the screen angled downward in your direction. Finally, secure the reader down with its mounting screws and you will have successfully installed the top-mount reader. And with that, we have reached the end of this guide. If this guide was informative, feel free to give it a like and subscribe to CCI's YouTube channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.